everyone and welcome to Housey. In today's video, we will be doing the teaser of Pristine iLife 4, which is located near Porwal Road, Dhanuri, Pune. This project is developed by Pristine Developers. As you can see, I am at the actual location of the project's sales office, which is behind me, and behind the sales office is the land parcel of this project. In front of the sales office is the Porwal Road. In this video, we will be discussing about the project's points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount and offers, and many more. But before I get into the project details, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly to its developers. Unlike other property listing platforms, where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing, and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, let me give you the project's overview. Pristine iLife 4 will be constructed on 1.5 acres of land parcel consisting of 2 towers, each tower having 2 podiums plus ground plus 9 floors having 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. Now, let me tell you about the location and the connectivity of the project. Pristine iLife 4 is located near Porwal Road, Dhanuri, Pune. In front of the sales office, you have Porwal Road, in which on the left hand side it connects you to Dhanuri Road, and on the right hand side it connects you to D.Y. Patil University Road. इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है डी-मार्ट धानूरी, which is located within 1.4 kilometers, लोहेगांव bus stop, which is located within 2.3 kilometers, and पुणे इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट, which is located within 3.3 kilometers. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं Pristine iLife 4 के amenities के बारे में. This project has luxurious amenities such as clubhouse, swimming pool, children's play area, gymnasium, multi-purpose hall, yoga zone and many more. Now, coming to the carpet area of the project, Pristine iLife 4 has 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies, in which 2 BHK has 839 square feet, 2.5 BHK has 985 square feet and 3 BHK starting from 1020 to 1197 square feet carpet area. Now let's discuss the booking process. The project booking window is now open. The client can come and visit the site. Our sales team will help you with the complete project details along with the help of project's 3D model. We'll share with you the payment and pricing schemes and we'll show you the actual location of the project. And then if the client likes the project, they can proceed with the booking process. So everyone, this was the teaser of Pristine iLife 4, which is located near Porwal Road, Dhanuri, Pune and is developed by Pristine Developers. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel and please do visit www.housey.com today.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.